excel in an outdoor setting. This robot, dark in color and sturdy in design, is built for maneuverability across tough terrains. Around it, several soldiers in camouflage uniforms stand by, while one of them operates the robot using a remote control device. A senior officer, identifiable by his beret, observes the interaction, suggesting that this could be part of a test or demonstration of advanced robotic integration on the battlefield. This robotic dog is likely built for multiple functions. One of its key roles is reconnaissance, venturing into dangerous or hard-to-reach areas where sending humans would be risky. It can also be used for routine patrols, providing constant surveillance without fatigue. In some versions, these robots are equipped to carry lightweight gear or logistics. While this particular unit appears unarmed, other similar models have been weaponized to offer direct fire support, indicating a growing shift in how robots are being utilized in ground operations. Beyond ground-based systems, the evolution of robotic warfare extends to the skies with autonomous combat drones. These drones feature sleek, stealthy designs with dark gray and black color schemes. Their wings are straight with upward-tilted tips, reminiscent of modern surveillance drones like the MQ-9 Reaper. On the upper surface of the wings, two glowing blue laser weapons point forward, giving the drone an aggressive, battle-ready appearance. Under the wings, several missile launchers are visible, showcasing its multi-target strike capabilities. The drone's sensor setup is just as advanced. A large sensor pod is mounted under the front of the body, most likely housing electro-optical or infrared cameras for targeting and reconnaissance. Small antennas and sensors scattered across its frame suggest highly developed communication and navigation systems. The drone is shown flying against a dramatic sunset backdrop, with contrails or speed effects in the sky adding to its dynamic, futuristic presence, perfectly embodying the high-tech future of aerial warfare. This drone represents a major shift in modern combat, moving away from human-operated systems to AI-driven, fully autonomous machines. These platforms can fly and fight without direct human input, significantly lowering the risk of casualties. Their advanced sensors and weaponry make them ideal for reconnaissance and high-precision strikes, especially in dangerous environments. The presence of complex targeting systems and energy weapons hints at real-time AI-powered decision-making, although the ethical debate around autonomous lethal action continues. What we're seeing is a clear transformation in how wars are fought. Traditional frontlines have become blurred, with threats now emerging from drones, terrorists, and ballistic missiles. The cost of caring for injured soldiers and the rising number of casualties have pushed militaries to develop robots that can take on risky tasks. While military robotics has roots going back to World War II and the Cold War, those early models lacked the sophistication we see today. The focus now is on AI-powered robots capable of performing tasks at near-human levels. China stands out as a major player in this robotic arms race. One of its key developments is the Sharp Claw 1, a small, fast unmanned ground vehicle introduced in 2014. It can autonomously scout dangerous terrain and detect threats, equipped with a light machine gun and fully operational with the People's Liberation Army since 2020. Another notable innovation is the GR1, a humanoid robot developed by Fourier Intelligence. Capable of walking at 5 km per hour while carrying 50 kilograms, it was initially designed for physical therapy, but China aims to mass-produce it by 2025, potentially for military use. Another fascinating example is AlphaDog, originally a consumer tech product, now militarized by Chinese defense industries. This AI-powered robot dog has been equipped with automatic weapons and can even be deployed from a drone. Similar armed robotic dogs have also been tested by the U.S. Marine Corps. Underwater, China has launched its first large-scale unmanned underwater vehicle, the Su-001, capable of long-range patrol missions, showing that robotic warfare isn't limited to just land and air. China has also focused on reducing human risk in bomb disposal missions by integrating explosive ordnance disposal, EOD, robots into their forces. These robots can be remotely operated, navigate rough environments, and use water cannons to safely neutralize explosives. Their deployment has significantly reduced casualties in high-risk missions. Altogether, these developments reflect a strategic pivot. Militaries are no longer just experimenting with robots, they're depending on them. The video wraps up with a strong message. The integration of robotics into military operations isn't just a trend, it's a necessity. With more high-risk missions on the horizon, Countries like China and the United States are now in a technological race to develop the first combat-ready humanoid robots. In this new era of warfare, whoever leads in autonomous robotics and AI will likely dominate the battlefield of tomorrow.